Essential Tools for Agile Project Management 2024. Agile project management methodologies have become more and more popular over time, and in the current market, Agile project management is a must-have for businesses. It has become so popular, partly due to the fast-paced nature.
But before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. Sprintzeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
Of business today. But why? And what is the use of Agile? This project management methodology is used because of the flexibility it provides in terms of time and cost savings, as well as improving organizational growth. It is a dynamic, ever-evolving process. Adapts to changing circumstances. Delivers exceptional results. Promotes continuous growth and efficiency. It reshapes project management across industries. Emphasizes adaptability, innovation, and delivering value. The best Agile project management tools. Asana. Asana is a project management tool that provides functionality for industries that cooperate on a project. Key features include task management, project timelines, team communication, and integrations with other tools. These easy-to-use features in Asana make it simple to coordinate, since the whole team can be very organized and have their own way of managing their tasks. Asana Features Overview. Task Management, an easy-to-use tool for team coordination. Project Timelines provides tracking for launches, iterations, project plans, and sprint plans. Team Communication facilitates team communication. Integrations with other tools offers integration with other tools. Challenges, issues with task handling, project timelines, and service integration. Jira. Jira is an agile project management tool that offers features like task tracking, project planning, and agile boards. It is tailor-made and customizable, supporting agile testing and facilitating collaborative productivity. However, Jira is complex and costly due to the need for developers to configure integrations. Despite its complexity, it provides roadmaps for communication and collaboration with stakeholders, making it the first software development tool used by agile teams. Jira supports agile methodologies like Scrum and Kanban, offering maximum flexibility in project management. Rike. Rike is a cloud-based project management service designed for small, agile teams. It features task assignments, real-time updates, document collaboration, and configurable workflows. Streamline work processes, improve productivity, and allow teams to make instant changes to save costs and increase revenues. However, Rike mobile versions can sometimes be lagging. Rike's major dashboard, Activity Stream, helps project managers stay on task and track issues. It offers a range of features like setting and tracking issues, real-time updates, explanations through documents, customizable and reliable workflows, exhaustive project management, quotes, reports, analysis, and control. The only drawback is that there is a free version, but it's very limited and might turn out to be a long process with a very steep learning curve. Trello. Trello is an easy-to-use project management tool that includes features for team collaboration, boards, lists, and cards. The simplicity of the app encourages a collaborative environment and surely makes it easier to maintain transparency and efficiency with tasks or projects, but without a doubt, it lacks reporting. It brings together all the tasks, to-do things, and activities with a glance across the board for multiple projects or team members. Smartsheet. Smartsheet is a very versatile SaaS. It ranges from offering solutions like enhanced file management, add-ons and integrations to advanced project and task management, form automation, and notification capability, working with the management of resources, interfacing with a Gantt chart, and spreadsheet team collaboration on projects. Smartsheet is very user-friendly and, at the same time, cross-functional. Similarly, with that said, some of the priorities become unified because of the integration of these features. Smartsheet is a cloud-based platform that automates actions, simplifies budget and planning, and offers Gantt charts for visual project planning and scheduling. ClickUp. ClickUp is an agile project management platform designed for engineering and product teams to plan, organize, and collaborate on work using tasks, documents, chat, goals, whiteboards, and more. It offers a customized feature that creates efficiencies in things like workflows, bugs, releases, and wikis. ClickUp comes with over 15 unique views of tasks that would be presented, inclusive of the list, Gantt, calendar, and Kanban-like board views. With over 1,000 integrations, ClickUp supports modern, agile approaches and caters to unique needs and personal preferences. The platform also supports over 1,000 work tools, including Zendesk, Intercom, Zapier, GitHub, GitLab, and Bitbucket, and provides customizable dashboards for sprint planning, retrospective meetings, and more. 5 professional recommendations for selecting the best Agile project management tools. Determine your chosen Agile framework. Choose a framework like XP, Scrum, or Kanban. Ensure the tool aligns with your chosen framework and includes the necessary features. List the essential features, consider resource planning, time tracking, team collaboration, and agile features. Collect team input to identify must-haves. Assess your brand's objectives, consider the tool's ability to help your company achieve its short and long-term goals. Consider your budget. Consider your monthly budget and pricing schedule. Check if you can get a demo or free trial version of the tool. Assess your current technology stack. Check if the Agile project management tool will work with your existing technology stack.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with Sprintzeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.